Hey everyone, it's Leo with Dreaming Tree, and as a quick reminder, next month in November, our website will be closing. The great news is that all of our projects have already made their way over to Creative Fabrica, and many of you have already joined us there. It's a pretty easy transition, but I also know that anytime we try something new, it can feel a little uncertain at first. So if you're someone who'd like a quick walkthrough or just a little extra guidance, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how to sign up for Creative Fabrica's All Access membership, where to find Dreaming Tree projects, and how to make sure you don't miss a thing. Let's jump right in. Now, whether you're signing up for a free trial or wanting to purchase files individually, you will need to create an account on Creative Fabrica. So here we are at creativefabrica.com. You want to type that into your browser. It'll bring up the main homepage. And the first thing we're going to do is click Sign Up. There are a total of 4 options that you can use to log in to the Creative Fabrica website. You can log in with Google. So this would be the same username and password that you use if you have a Gmail account. You can log in with Facebook, and again, this will automatically log you in as long as you are logged in to your Facebook account on this browser. You can also log in with Apple. This typically is your iCloud username. Or you can just type in your email address and create a unique password just for this website without linking to any of these 3 services. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account under demo@3dsvg.com. I have my password here, and I'm going to click Register for Free. So once you register, this little pop-up will appear asking you to verify your email address. At this point, you'll just open up your email as you normally do and look for the email from Creative Fabrica with the OTP code in it. Now your inbox will probably look different than mine, but here is the email that I just received with the OTP code. I'm going to go ahead and select it and copy it, and then bring it over to this window and paste it in. And then click Register for Free. Okay, so now if we take a look in the upper right-hand corner, we'll see that there's no longer an option to sign up or log in for that matter. We have an option for My Profile, and you can see here it says My Account. Okay, so after creating an account, to begin the free trial, we're going to click here at the top, Start Free Trial, and you'll just want to pop in your billing information and then decide which payment method you want to use. I'm going to use a credit card. I'm going to pop that in there. I'll have to blur this out. Okay, and let's activate the free trial. You'll notice here, the free all access trial, get free access to Creative Fabrica's library to download 10 products. The trial will renew for $3.99 a month, billed yearly, 1 month after your trial starts, or upon using your 10th download credit. You can cancel anytime. So that means when you click to download your 10th file, it will automatically activate the membership. Okay? So let's go ahead and activate the free trial. Okay, so right now we are in our free trial. So you'll notice this little button up here, Upgrade Now. If you click that, another option will come up to confirm. And if you click again, it will begin the actual membership and take you out of the trial. But now that we're in our trial, we can go ahead and download some files. So let's go over to Moonlight Magic and click Download and hit Allow. Okay, so a good way to keep track of how many free downloads you've downloaded is by simply going under My Profile and clicking My Downloads. Now, in a previous video, I actually purchased this as a single file. This is not included in my trial. So right now I have 1 product that was downloaded as part of the trial. So let's find some more. Let's click on this. And that'll take us to this product page where I can then click on Dreaming Tree to view the entire shop under View Profile. So you can continue just to click on bundles or individual products that you like and hit download. It's as simple as that. There's no checkout process once you have a membership or are part of the trial period. Okay, so that one downloaded. We can verify that by going under My Downloads, under My Profile. And if we ever need to re-download it again, here it is. Okay, so we're just going to continue getting our free content. And then again, upon the 10th download, it will automatically begin your all access membership. Now, if you want to just fast forward and get it done, you can click upgrade now and then confirm and you're good to go. Okay, and that will automatically initiate the membership for you. Okay, so let's take a look under My Profile and My Accounts. If we click on subscriptions, we can see here that we have a subscription that's activating today for $47 for the entire year. Now, this includes everything on the site. Once you have an all-access membership, you do not need to spend additional money to purchase or download our files. It's all included in that $47 per year. Now, one thing that you can do to make it a lot easier to get to our products is follow us. So let me show you how to do that. From the main homepage, simply type in Dreaming Tree into the search and hit enter, and just click on any Dreaming Tree project. You can pretty much just know which ones are ours based on the quality of the photography and the products. So let's click on one, and that'll take us to the product page for this specific product. And here, next to our little logo, is a little button that you can click on. I had already been following Dreaming Tree, but yours will look like this. Just click Follow Designer. Okay, when you do that, it'll say Following Designer. And each time you log in to Creative Fabrica, when you want to find our things quickly, you can go under your profile, click on My Account, and on the left-hand side here, you'll have an option for Designers I Follow. Just click on that. And now you can see here under Designers, you have Dreaming Tree, and you can quickly click View Shop. It'll take you straight to our shop, and typically it will sort things by newest first. Okay, so it's a very quick way to get to our content. Now, of course, once you're on this page, if you want, you can simply bookmark it as well. And then you can take that bookmark and also place it on your desktop to make things even easier to access.